Welcome to Kids Wonderland Zone. Let's explore wild animals one by one. Roar goes the lion, king of the land, with a mighty mane, isn't he grand? The tiger prowls with stripes so bright, in the jungle he's a powerful sight. Panda munches bamboo all day, in black and white they love to play. Tall giraffe with a neck so long, reaching leaves where they belong. Hippopotamus, big and round, in the water they can be found. Monkey swings from tree to tree, chattering away, wild and free. Bear so strong with fur so thick, in the forest they move so quick. Eagle soars high in the sky, with sharp eyes they glide and fly. Crocodile lurks in the deep, with a toothy grin, watch them creep. Thank you for watching Kids Wonderland Zone. Like, share and subscribe. Let it be known.